Good morning. And moving further with our exercise 7.2, right? The chapter congruency of triangle. Now we were on sixth question. Complete the congruence statement. Right? Means we have to say that the given triangle is congruent to which other triangles. So here in the first figure, so in figure 1, comma, for triangle BBAT and triangle BAC, we have, right? What we are having? BT is same as BC. We can say hypotenuse angle BAT is same as angle BAC, which is 90 degree right angle. Also BA is same as BA, that is common side, right? Therefore by RHS criteria, we have B corresponds to A corresponds to C corresponds to. Sure. From the angle we can say that A corresponds to A. If A corresponds to A. A corresponds to A, so B corresponds to B. And finally we can say C corresponds to T corresponds to C. Therefore, triangle, what is given to you? BCA. Triangle BCA is congruent to triangle with B. We have to put B. With C, we have to put T. And with A, we have to put A. Right? So we have applied which rule? RHS criteria. Right? If someone want to use some another rule, then we can say that angle B of first triangle is same as angle B of another one. બરાબર ને? અહીંયા દેખાય છે. Similarly, BT of first triangle is same as BC of other triangle. Right? And we can say that angle P of this one is same as angle C. So by ASA criteria also we can use, right? What we can say that B corresponds to B, right? T corresponds to C, which implies A corresponds to A. And what we have to write? BCA will congruent to triangle BKSR B, CKSR T, and DKSR T will be same. If we want to use some another criteria, समझ पड़ा है? Yes. Right? चलो. In figure 2, what we are having? Triangle PQT and triangle RQS, we have? Now, by observing, we can say that sides સાથે dealing વધારે થાય છે. So we are using that. What we are having? The PQ of first triangle is same as RS of another triangle, that is side. Then TQ of first triangle is same as SQ or QS of another triangle, that is also your side. And finally PT of first triangle is same as QR of another triangle. These all are given. Figure માંથી મને દેખાય છે. Right? So therefore, what we can say there? Therefore, by side, 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 that is S criteria. What we are having? P corresponds to Q corresponds to T corresponds. Sure. Let's observe the first two. What is common over here? Q. So opposite side S. So with Q S. Q के साथ S चला गया, हाँ ना? और T के साथ Q with S. Or you can see that another way. What is common in second? T. What is common over here? Q. Baba, what is common over here? P. What is common over here? R. Therefore, triangle QRS is congruent to Q ની સાથે T રિવર્સ આવવાનું છે. Q ની સાથે T, R ની સાથે T, S ની સાથે Q. So these are the correspondence of the triangle. Are you getting how to do that? Now, second question. In a square sheet, draw two triangles of equal area. Right? What we have to draw? We have to draw two triangles that are having equal area. You can see the figure. I have already drawn that two triangles having same area. Right? Means they are congruent, we can say that. Such that first one, the triangles are congruent. First one, what I am going to draw with that type of triangles in which areas are same and the triangles are congruent. The second one, areas are same but triangles are not congruent. એટલે મારે બે ફિગર ડ્રો કરવાના છે. પહેલું ફિગર કેવું ડ્રો કરવાનું છે? એવું ડ્રો કરવાનું છે કે મને ટ્રાયંગલ કેવો દેખાવો જોઈએ? congruent. એ તમારા બોર્ડ ઉપર દેખાય છે. Congruent triangles. So here you can say that from the figure AB is same as BE. Similarly, AC is same as EF. Similarly, BC is same as EF. बराबर ने? Right. So here two triangles are congruent. By which criteria? S criteria. बराबर. Areas are same. Triangles are congruent. What we can say about the perimeter? Same. How we can say that? 5, 6, 7. Similarly, here also 5, 6, 7. Triangles are congruent. We have applied SSS theorem. SSS rule means what? The sides of both the triangles are equal. If the sides are equal, then we can say the perimeter of both triangles are equal. Perimeter કેવું આવશે? Equal. Same side. બરાબર? Triangles are congruent. Same area. Perimeters are same. But if I draw one figure like this way, having same area and this way, 6 6 5 and here 3 5 4.
No.
Right? ભલે એરિયા એનો સેમ છે, ભલે એરિયા એનો સેમ છે. Can we say that they are congruent?
No.
We can't say they are congruent. Means what? Areas are equal. But what we can say that area equal થઈ ગયો, but side થોડી equal છે. Can I apply over here SSS criteria? I can't apply here. Why I am using SSS criteria? Reason શું છે? So here is the reason. Perimeter. કોની સાથે deal કરે? The boundary line, the length. સમજ પડે? Perimeter કોની સાથે deal કરશે? Boundary line, length સાથે deal કરશે. જો બધી જ length same હશે તો બંને triangle નું perimeter બી same. પણ અહીંયા તો કંઈક આવું ફિગર આપ્યું. એરિયા એનો સેમ છે, but side same nothing. So we can't apply SSS criteria. Therefore, triangles are not congruent. Triangle congruent નથી, તો areas are not equal. એરિયા સરખા થશે નહીં. સમજ પડી શું કહેવા માંગુ છું તે? હા, એનું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ નીચે જ છે. Here by SSS criteria we can say that the two triangles are congruent. દેખાય છે ઉપર મને ફિગરમાં, right? Hence their perimeter will be same. Why perimeter will be same? As the length of side of first triangle are equal to the length of sides of other triangle. પહેલા triangle ની જે length છે same to same length કયા triangle ની છે? બીજા triangle ની. કેમ આપણે આવું કહી શકાય? Because we have applied SSS criteria. સમજ પડે? But second શું કહે છે? That if the triangles are not congruent, triangle congruent નથી, then their perimeters are not same, as the sides of first triangles are not equal to the length of sides of other triangle. So what we can say that SSS criteria is not समझ पड़े? SSS criteria applicable થઈ જ નહીં, કારણ કે length તો same નથી. એટલે triangles કેવા થઈ જવાના? not equal, unequal. समझ पड़ी? समझ पड़ी? Second one, draw a rough sketch of two triangles. You can see on the board the first triangle over here and the second triangle, such that they have 5 pairs of congruent parts. How many pairs? 5 pairs. So let's write one by one. So we can say that angle P is same as angle T, right? In triangle PQR and triangle STU. Angle P is same as angle T.
Yes.
चलो. Second, angle Q is same as angle S. Right? Second part આવી ગયો મારો congruency નો. Third,
angle R.
PQ this side. है ना? PQ is same as TU. बराबर? Then what we can say that PR is same as PR is same as ST, and angle R is same as angle U. Barabar? So these are the 5 pairs of congruent part, but still the triangles are not congruent. Right? Chalo, image double line, double curve, double line, single curve, double curve, triple line, including angle नहीं आयो, आयो including angle, ये including angle नहीं आयो, including sorry, including side પાસે કેટલી લાઈન છે? 2. અહીંયા including side પાસે કેટલી લાઈન આવી છે? એટલે કયું એપ્લાય નહીં થાય? A S A. આ એપ્લાય ન થયું. Let's see with SAS. S A S S A S S A S double Chalo, let's try to see about SAS criteria. Right? બરાબર? ચાલો જોઈએ. S A S, but here you can see that there are 2 curves. Now here single curve, which they are not congruent. સમજ પડી ને? ક્લિયર થયું? એટલે આવી રીતે બી સેટિંગ કરવાનું કોઈક વાર કે તમને શું પ્રૂવ કરો કીધા છે? ટ્રાયંગલ્સ આર નોટ કોંગ્રુઅન્ટ. ત્યારે આપણે આ રીતનું હલ કરવાનું. સ્માર્ટ વર્ક. Okay, let us consider these two as same side. This one is also same side, but you can see that here double angles are there, here single curves are there. So that's why again we can't apply SAS criteria. We also can't apply RHS criteria.
There is no right angle.
Right angle is not there. Similarly, you can't apply SSS criteria. Here nothing is mentioned. જો આને remove કરી દઉં તો હજુ nothing is mentioned. Then also we can say that they are not congruent. સમજ પડે છે કે શું કહેવા માંગુ છું તે? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR are to be congruent. If આ જો congruent હોય એમ કે if આગળ આવી ગયો ને if આ congruent હોય, name one additional pair of corresponding parts and what criteria did you use? So here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, બરાબર? Angle P is same as that is 90 degree angle. समझ पड़ जाएगा मैं क्या RHS નથી यूज करता. Second, angle C is same as angle R, that is also given, and it is angle. I can't apply RHS either. Hypotenuse is not given to you exactly. Whether they are equal or not. It is not given to you side. Side भी નથી આપી. અહીંયા બે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી છે. કઈ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી છે? બંને એંગલ્સ જ આપ્યા છે. હજુ સાઈડ આપી લે ને તો હું કદાચ હાઇપોટેન્યુસ નો વિચાર કરતે. ક્યારે સાઈડ આપી હતે ત્યારે. અહીંયા સાઈડ આપી છે. અહીંયા બે જ વસ્તુ છે. એક 90 ડિગ્રી છે, એક એંગલ છે. So which additional information is required?
Side. Including side.
Additional pair of corresponding part is. Two angles are given to you, right? So obviously there is only one criteria relating two angles. ASA means what? Your BC must be same as QR. So what is the additional requirement? BC is same as QR. What is that? So therefore, by ASA criteria, क्या लिखूं? यहाँ लिखूं. A corresponds to B corresponds to C corresponds. चलो. B Q C R A. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABR. समझ पड़े छे, राइट? એટલે રાઈટ એંગલ દેખાય એટલે એવું જરૂરી નહીં કે હું ડાયરેક્ટ હાઇપોટેનિયસ પર જમ્પ કરું. I have to observe whether the side is given to you or not. Your side is not given to you, but one additional angle is given to you. So that's why I am going to use ASA criteria. समझ पड़ी આ સમમાં? Last 10th one. Explain why they are congruent. Explanation. Explain why they are congruent. Reason is the same thing. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, right? Angle B is same as angle E. That is equal to 90 degree. Now I can't use this angle. Angle use नहीं कर सकूं. Reason खबर छे? Including side same छे એવું કીધું. એ use કરી શકું નહીં. But BC is same as ED. Right there. Side. The right angle છે, that angle congruent, angles congruent છે. તો સામેનું શું થઈ જવાનું? Hypotenuse. શું થઈ જવાનું? Hypotenuse. Right? So what we can say that AC is same as DF. That is hypotenuse. I can use this. કારણ કે આ બે જો congruent હોય ને તો obviously છે આ બી same થઈ જવાનું. ને સામેની સાઈડ કેવી થઈ જવાની? હાઇપોટેનિયસ જ થઈ જવાની. બરાબર? Therefore, by RHS criteria A, B, C. चलो. A corresponds to. ये तो नहीं मालूम. B corresponds to E. B corresponds to E. C corresponds to D. A corresponds to F. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. समझ पड़ी? समझ पड़ी केवी રીતે સોર્ટ આઉટ કરવાનું છે તે?